مرحب بكم في فيديو جديد، ومرحب بكم في درس جديد. اليوم سنتعلم occupation وظائف. occupation means وظائف: doctor, nurse, manager, chef, worker, counter, driver. tailor, painter, thief, policeman, soldier, farmer, swimmer, singer, salesman, fireman, pilot, clown. If you like those videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to do part 2. If I forgot something, don't forget to write in the تعليقات.